Can you create PDF files in Backfrap? Hi, I'm Alex, the architect from Backfrap, and this is Talking to the Architect, and today we'll be answering Carlos Cruz's question. Carlos asked, is there any way to have my Parse app to write PDF files? Hi Carlos, thank you so much for your question, and yes, there is, and it's very easy to do. All you have to do is to use the PDF npm module into Cloud Code. Once you get it installed and configured, and by the way, I'll leave a link in the description of this video on how to do that, you can start using the PDF module into the Cloud Code section of your app in Backfrap. And then you can configure the Cloud Code to get the results you want from Parse and then write your PDF files. Once you get the PDF files mounted the way you want, all you have to do is to save it as new files into your Backfrap app and download it as a regular file. So, if you found this video helpful, please click the like button and consider subscribing to the channel so it can help us grow. I also share this link with a friend and they can learn something too. If you're already subscribed, thank you for that. And if you have any questions, suggestions, or any implementation you'd like to see, please leave in the comment section down below. We always answer all the questions. I hope this content was useful to you. I hope to see you back. See you soon. Bye bye.